Today we're in a 3-bedroom 1930s property in Uppingham. It's been in the same family for over 40 years and was originally built in 1939. In the current family's ownership, it's been extended and modernised. You are gonna absolutely love it. Come and have a look around. Let's start here in the hallway because of this, the original front door from 1939 when the property was built. The owner absolutely loves it, and why wouldn't she? She's had this middle section here all re-leaded so that it can stay in keeping with the outside sections here. There is so much more to see. Please come and have a look around. Every now and then we take a house on the market that has the most perfect reception room. This is one of those rooms. It's so grand, so high, so naturally full of light. Just to picture yourself sat in here, wood burner roaring, glass of wine, watching the rugby on the telly. But also you've got this lovely 1930s bay window flooding this room with natural light. Often overlooked but super important, the downstairs loo. You can take a look at it now. The heart of any home is always the kitchen. This isn't any bog standard kitchen. The current owner has put this 3-metre extension on the back that gives you another seating area and dining area, all taking advantage of that view out of the garden. You also have the added bonus of a really great size utility room. Upstairs, we've got 3 double bedrooms. 2 of them are really good sizes with loads of built-in storage, and bedroom 3 is a small double, but you'd still get one in there. We also have a family bathroom. Currently it's set up with a shower, toilet and a sink, but what I really think would look great in there would be a freestanding roll-top bath. Hi, can you see me? The garden really is that big. Down this end of the garden, we've got a veggie plot, mature trees, large storage shed, which is hidden by all of this beautiful foliage. The current owners have also had massive parties out here with a 10-metre by 6-metre marquee. And up on the patio area where you are was a big paella station. So what a beautiful place to entertain and celebrate with family and friends. And now we finish off that tour at the front of the property, where we get to take in this beautiful Art Deco door again. Loads of off-road parking all the way down the side of the property. So if you'd like to come and see this property in person, or if you've got any more queries or questions or information that you'd like, go to easterway.co.uk where you can click book a viewing on the property page. Hopefully see you on another viewing soon.